Hello? Hello?
ang ating representative ng Visual Arts sa CBCC. And ngayon naman, we would like to ask, of course, someone who will give us the opening or welcome remarks sa ating exhibit for this afternoon. Siya po ay isang masulit na supporter in the arts, especially and also to the other advocacies of Davao City. May we welcome Sir John to please give your message to the artists. Thank you.
Before I proceed, let us acknowledge the members of the Artist Council, Sir Satano, Tabaco, Sir Arnold, Sir Nixon, Santiago, Sir Jose, and Sir all of whom work with user, we have faith in our senior citizens. That is why our center supports this program. We hope that through this exhibit, our youth will see that senior citizens who in their youth contributed to the development of their families, their communities, their city, and their country continue to do so. Senior citizens provide invaluable talent and skill that comes with years of dedication, continuing to play a vital role in our society and in the development of our common generations. It is our hope that through your engagement in this art form, more and more the youth will be interested and encouraged to learn it and be involved. Honestly, I have looked out for people who from Google, and then I asked Sir Santiago or Cookie. It's only that it's at least one sketch. As someone, even with the age of the group, I understand what's I do admire and fascinated by people in this stage. People who can transform an ordinary piece of paper into something extraordinary. Tawa-tawa ako sa nagpapagawa ko sa museum. 3 years ago, I think the legally grounded way to be a member of the first class citizen spot. As that day draws near, often an African proverb comes to mind that speaks of community effort, shared giving, and collective responsibility. Perhaps we have heard of it. It takes a village to raise a child. Although your efforts here may not be credited as a senior citizen activity or youth development headline in this institution, we, however, hope that your work here will be an introduction into our farm for some of our youth. One extraordinary generation, through example, continues to nurture and mold the next extraordinary generation. Paraphrasing President Reagan's speech on the contribution, a portion of his speech on the contribution of senior citizens in our society. Our senior citizens are an underground strength that steadily goes silently when we usually get the Thank you. Congratulations.
Maraming salamat, sir. And now, naka-reach tayo. See, even senior citizens talaga nabibigyan ng opportunities kasi because we give high regard to them. Pero may dalawa pa dito talaga ng senior citizen. So, it's something naman. At this point, may I ask the artist from sit here in front because I would like to interview you. Interview kayo. I say some question para naman so we get to know each of you. Okay? Malipat natin. Uunahin natin. O, microphone. Kahit dyan na. Okay. Ano ba ang pwede dito? Unahin natin yung nag-umpisa ng exhibit na to, yung idea na to. Kay Sir Santiago Pagapa, he is 61 years old. He's retired siya for some time, pero napunta na siya sa arts and very passionate in helping out the kind of the senior artists. Sir, ito ang tanong ko po sa inyo. What advice, parang ano po? What advice po would you give to the aspiring artists who are here, especially those who are just starting out? What advice mo ang pwede nyo ibigay sa kanila?
I think there's something to do with motivation. Ang mindset natin as an artist, everyone is an artist sa kanilang work as well. But as we go along with the people, we need different kind of view na pwede natin i-adapt. So, speaking or any kind of artwork is a part of your life na gusto na kapilin. So, you have to sustain. Kasi, for us, I was also motivated dahil sa mga nakikita ko. So, nandun yung mindset na una kasi yung appreciation na hindi na kaya kayo pinaramat na. If he can, I can do also. Kasi there's a transformation on how we continue to sustain yung tuloy kasi, ibig sabihin nyo, is continue. So, that is a mountain and the mountain province. So, along the way, way back 2020, when I passed to Sunshine Art, andun yung art journey na sponsored by the UP. And dito, I joined them until such time na namomotivate ako na mag-grupo sa isang group of artists at kaya. Okay, so ngayon, young generation, hoping na itong what we witness now is your starting point to really continue to start your art life. Maging natin direction na ito, direction ito na yung adapt by dancing or artistic, and then you connect with those artist group I motivated in sustaining your art life.
Thank you, Sir Santi. Sir Santi. Okay, maraming salamat sa sabi niya.
thank you po sa opportunity and sa mga remarks na itry dito. Dati kasi na you will be a part of something katulad ng the first time kung sumali dito sa ating city. It is a privilege for me kasi dati ang nalalang ko ng role ko. Now, kung hindi nakakita ng role ko, it's always about holding na siya. That is next in us na sama-sama niyo lang and then you will be holding na siya. Kaya ko sa mga new artists, una-una, hindi kailangan yung realistic. Your drawing is a form of art. Kung ano yun, that is your expression to an art. So during these institutes and all that, napakatulong sa akin. And I'm very glad to be here. And hoping for the next 10 years, we will be more and be more better artworks in the future.
And what inspires you? Artistic style.
Actually po, sobrang nakalain ng mga kasi hindi sa pagkas, kailangan sa mga nakulaw kayo. Kailangan hindi kayo naghahan, tapos na kaya gusto sa akin, ay pamilin pa, gusto sa akin, hindi ako kasi, kaya yung realistic na ako sa isang tanda ng hirap, hindi ko at hindi sa for me, yung realistic yung pagkakas kaya natin. Kaya ako yung hindi natin consider na pinakalis namin sa mga yung pinagkakaroon ko ano pasawin sa kanila o sa kanila. Our individuals so you for me, that's our reality. At yung mga sila yung parang ko, bilang sa mga naging sa mga ng buhos ng kanya. Habang tumatagal, pinipili ka practice makes perfect. And you know po,
Thank you, Sir Edgar. And last but not least, ang ating 82 years old na kanta. Narinig ba ako? Sir Noli? Narinig mo ako? Sir Noli. Ito po. Message ko na lang sa ating mga other artists. What keeps your passion for art alive? Okay? Basa niyo? Dito po. Sahin niyo na lang po. Okay, message na po. Say hello to her. Hindi ang ating 82 years old na artist. Okay, anyway, makikita natin ang kanyang works mamaya. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, marinig natin ang ating mga artists to introduce their own nag-explain na later ang kanilang works, nalaman natin kung sino sila based on their responses sa Hollywood. At ngayon naman, para hindi tayo magtagal, we will be asking everyone of you to have a photo ops doon sa harap sa parliament na pinaka-opening natin. Sino ba mag-take ng picture? Si Sir Simon Pang. Adela. Sige, doon tayo sa harap, including our young guests. So after that, we are going to say a parade that is opening